Okay, we've arrived at a location on the way to Rafah. Unfortunately, when we got here, our passports were immediately confiscated by the army, and everyone else who was here has had the same situation. There's a bus here which they tried to get people to go on. People refused to go on it because they think, I think correctly, that it would be used to deport them. We've heard news about people being stopped in Cairo, had their passports taken off them, and now it seems their phones taken off them, probably detained, probably with a view to deporting them. So it's looking worrying that the Egyptian authorities are going to act to try to prevent our peaceful march to Gaza, to act to demand that Israel's blockade of humanitarian aid, of food, of water, medical supplies is ended. So I'm just asking people to redouble their efforts, put pressure on your own government. So in Ireland's case, get onto Simon Harris, get onto your local TD to ask them to pressurise the Egyptian regime to allow us to engage in our peaceful march. That the world has watched a horrific genocide for the past 20 months, since March, a total attempt at starvation, 500,000 people on the verge of starvation. And that this is a peaceful march to demand that it be ended and to demand that the Western governments stop their complicity. I just spin around now, so hopefully you can see some of what's going on behind me. There's a bus there behind you, a lot of soldiers, etc. So I'll try and keep you updated. But yeah, for the moment it's not looking good. But this was the case yesterday morning, actually. And it got turned around because of public pressure. It changed the attitude of the Egyptians. So that's what we need to do again, is get onto governments, get onto the Egyptian authorities, allow this march to proceed to demand that the starvation of Gaza be ended.